that sounds like a really dumb thing to say because obviously it's from the breast. I was about to touch my own boobies for you. Hand breath. Seriously, reefing on this and hoping that you get milk out of it. This is your Tuesday tidbit. We are talking boobs today. Let's talk about hand expression. In and out of here in 5 minutes or less. By the end of this video, you're going to know why you might want to use hand expression and how to get it done. And so people always say, like, why would I want to do hand expression? Basically, this is a great way to remove breast milk from the breast if you do not have access or you don't want to use a hand pump or an electric breast pump. So if you're doing colostrum collection while you are still pregnant, video on how to do that up there, this is a great time to do hand expression. If you are really engorged and you want to just let off some milk without causing too much of an overstimulation, that is a great time to do that. If you're in hospital and you get separated from your baby for whatever reason, hand expression is great to start that stimulation. There are lots of little times where hand expression is good. Step one, when we're dealing with breast milk and or babies, it's always going to be clean your hands well. Next step is get comfy cozy. I think that hand expression works a lot better if you have warm tissues. So I always suggest if you can do this after the shower or after the bath, that's a great time. Otherwise, make sure you curl up somewhere where you're comfy cozy and you feel secure. Next step, you want to figure out where you are hand expressing from. And that sounds like a really dumb thing to say because obviously it's from the breast, but you're not going to be hand expressing from like down here at the nipple and just reefing on this and hoping that you get milk out of it. That ain't going to do it for you because we breastfeed, we don't nipple feed. The milk you're looking for is actually back here in the milk glands. So when you are doing hand expression, the place you want to put your hands is actually going to be about 2 fingers back from the areola. Once you've mapped out where you're going to put your hands, now you got to figure out how to put your hands on the breast. I want you to make this shape right here. This, of course, is the shape of a C. And this is going to be your tool for the most efficient milk removal. All right, ready? We have a breast that has breast milk in it. We have a hand. I have a breast. I have a hand. Hand breast. Seriously. Anyway, sorry about that. Okay, you have your breast. You're going to go about 2 fingers back because we know that this is the area where we want to be moving that milk towards the nipple. Once you know that it's going to go there, you're going to take your hands, which are in the shape of a C, and you're going to place it around that area on the breast. Now, it doesn't really matter where you're starting with your C because we're going to actually be moving the C all the way around the breast to make sure we get all areas. Once your hand is there in the right spot, in the right shape, you are now going to BCR. Push back, compress, release. Okay? So push back, then you're going to squeeze, compress, then you're going to release. You're not sliding your hands down the breast, okay? That's just going to cause nipple trauma and feel very uncomfortable. We're not doing this, okay? This is not the motion at all. We are pushing back, boom, compressing, boom, releasing, boom. So when you push back, compress, release, that sort of naturally moves that breast tissue forward. As you do that push back, compress, you see it, release. That's what's going to move the breast milk from the breast. So you're doing hand expression and now you have milk absolutely everywhere. And that is because we need to talk about what to put this milk in. If your breast milk has already transitioned from colostrum to more mature breast milk, you can absolutely just hand express into a bottle or into a cup. Make sure it is sanitized according to your baby's needs and age. But yeah, go for that. Put it in the fridge. You can even combine into one and put that in the fridge till you have more of a full bottle. If your baby is very young or if you are pregnant and collecting colostrum, you're going to want to do this into like a little medicine cup or even into a spoon, or you can get colostrum collectors. Haka makes a great one. And you just are going to do your, I was about to touch my own boobies for you. Push back, compress, release till you get little drip drops of colostrum here. And then you're just going to scoop it up. And then you're going to push back, compress, release, push back, compress, release, and scoop it up. So it just depends on what stage of your lactation journey you are on as to what you collected in. What else do you want to know about hand expression? Because that was pretty quick and dirty, but if you drop them in the comments, I will answer them for you. Stay tuned for next Tuesday's tidbit. If you want to check this one out right here, this one was all about fetal movements. And as always, be happy, stay healthy, have fun. Bye.